Add 6 g gelatin powder. Hot water 2 tablespoons. Mix well. No lumps and set aside. Thick cream 240 g. Milk 1 cup. Powdered sugar a half cup. Mix until well combined. On low heat, bring to a gentle simmer. Do not boil. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Add the prepared gelatin to the cream mixture. Mix well until dissolves. Sieve it. Pour in the cream mixture and let it set in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Strawberry jelly powder 1 sachet. Hot water 1 cup. Mix well until dissolves and freeze it for 10 minutes. Cold whipping cream 1 cup. Pour the prepared jelly into the whipping cream and mix until well combined. Pour in the strawberry cream and let it set in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Strawberry jelly powder 1 sachet. Hot water 1 cup. Mix well until dissolves and set aside. Strawberry slices. Pour in the strawberry jelly mixture and refrigerate until set. Enjoy!